Hey guys, what's up? Today in this video I will be going to show you how to use text fields and material buttons in Flutter. So I have created a sample UI for calculator which is using two text fields and four buttons and one text view. So I have created two text fields here, one for input A and one for input B. So these text fields will require a controller for them. So what is text editing controller? Now text editing controller will be a controller for controlling the text which is going to be inputted in the text field. Now every text field will have their own controller. If I put this controller 1 and controller 1 in both the text field, then when I input the text in text field 1 and when I input the text in text field 2, then the controller 1 will be going to contain text field 2 text because the latest update will be saved in the controller 1. So we have to create different text controller for different text field. Now I have created two text controller and applied it into the text fields. So after that I am having a text. I have created a integer c for updating the values. Now I am performing four operations: multiply, modulus, addition and subtraction. So what I have done in these, that material button will having a property on press. Now when on press will be clicked, I have to pass text from the text field. So to pass text, I have to access the controller and that controller will provide me the text which is saved it in. Now controller.text will provide the text in a string format, so I have to pass it into a integer format. Now I have passed both and updated the values through a star b and saved it to c. Now when I do it, it will update the value but not reflect it on the text view. So to update the UI, we need to call the set state, so that when the value is updated, this c variable will update and the text view will be updated. So we need to call this statement inside set state. Now same goes for flat button, same for the other button. Now I have created multiple buttons because I have to show you that there are many buttons which is provided by Flutter library. So this is for the video. Thank you for watching.